1967 Cadillac DeVille. It is very hard to see one of these here. It looks like a tree might have fell on it or something, or been in an accident. Rear end, yeah, rear end. Look at that. That must have hit something. You guys can see that. Shame, such a classic. Let me go around. I can't get the hood open. Yeah, it's wedged down. I can't get it open. Yeah, look at this thing. This thing has so much legroom. Wow. And look at the gas pedal and the brake. 120. Seat looks pretty good for 1967. The door still closes. The back door is pushed in. Yeah, here's the back of the car. Like I said, 1967 Cadillac. Don't see one of these. Can't get the hood open, guys, sorry.